Congratulations! Thanks to AI robots, your job might not exist in the next 10 years. At least, you'll have some free time. I wish it was a joke, but it is the truth. If you are a data entry guy or just someone who works. At the restaurant, maybe you should try learning some new skills. We have been listening for a long period. AI is the future. However, it is happening now. By 2025, millions of jobs globally may be replaced by automation. Think of AI as a superpower, but instead of saving the world, it's reshaping our job market. Jobs we used to think were safe, not anymore. Here are 3 top industries that AI robots could completely turn upside down. Food industry, AI robots taking over. Pizza will be better and more advanced when robots take over restaurants. Imagine a robot that can measure the exact amounts of ingredients and spices and cook for just the right temperature. Employers would fire you to get a free robot like that, wouldn't they? I mean, humans tend to make mistakes, while robots pretty much won't, at least not their advanced versions. Companies like Podzy and Picnic are already testing AI robots that can make pizza faster and with fewer mistakes than humans. Martin Ford, author of Rise of the AI Robots, states, "We are moving towards an economy where labor costs are no longer the main factor, productivity is, and AI robots are the kings of productivity." According to reports, robot chefs could decrease the costs of labor by 50% in the food industry. Would you rather pay a human or a robot that never needs money or breaks? Pizza Hut and Dominoes are already trying out robots, and by 2030, this might be normal for us. Research and data analysis. AI versus scientists. An estimated 65% of researchers think that the research industry will lose jobs during the next few years due to AI. When we look at this matter of time for drug research, it takes typically about 10 years to find out if it works at all. And then countless tests and analyses have to be accomplished. This is just a speculation. However, this may come true as early as 2030. Companies such as Pfizer and GlaxoSmithKline are not only aiming to increase their research performance through increased automation, but also reduce expenses associated with employment. In their work on the folding of proteins, AI tools such as AlphaFold by DeepMind are starting to show results. A report conducted by Oxford Economics suggests that in the next decade, about 15% of jobs in the pharmaceutical research industry might be eliminated due to AI. This means that over 500,000 research jobs worldwide are at risk of disappearing. Writing and translation. Say hello to AI authors. The European Commission estimates that AI could decrease the need for human translators by 40% by 2030. For big businesses, AI offers savings and speed, but for human translators, it means less work and shrinking paychecks. Guess who can get out of business if more updated apps like ChatGPT emerge? Freelancers, scriptwriters, copywriters, and all writers in general. I've always believed writing is about expression and connecting with people. But with AI taking over, it feels to me that algorithms are replacing writing. I've seen friends being replaced by AI because it was cheaper. The reality is that AI can have different writing styles, generate convincing text, and even adapt to feedback. It's scary because it's not just replacing everyday tasks. It's starting to get into areas where we thought humans were the boss. But we need to focus on what AI can't do yet. Be truly original and emotionally connected. Instead of fighting AI, writers and translators must figure out how to work with it. It is both exciting and unsettling to watch AI push the limits of what is currently possible. Reality is that not all people will be able to accept this quickly enough. Skills like machine learning, AI model interpretation, and data science are becoming important now. Scientist Erik Brynjolfsson of MIT claims that automation will disrupt jobs, but also create new roles, particularly in robotics. The jobs of the future will involve working with machines, not against them, he declares. However, it is not always simple to go from a factory worker to an AI supervisor, particularly if you lack the necessary abilities. Indeed, AI will replace many human tasks, but it cannot replace human creativity. Start learning AI tools, improve yourself, and keep up with the latest advancements. Remember, in this AI-driven world, it's not about being replaced. It's about learning to work besides the machines. See you in our next video. Like, share, and subscribe for more content on AI robots.